The A7R6 has bad photo settings when you first get it. Change these 10 things. So you're gonna start this off in photo mode. This is gonna be your dial right here. Switch everything to manual because this gives you the most options. Photo mode, this is how we're gonna customize. Number 1, different set for stills and movies. This is gonna be in your yellow menu, third option down, operations customize, and then it's gonna be your 8th item in, which is called different set for stills and movies. So these are gonna come not checked stock. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna check every single one of these boxes. And what this is gonna do is for your photo mode and your video mode, it's going to keep your profiles the same. So for video, you're gonna be able to hold picture profile 8. While in photos, you'll be able to just take photos. This is huge. You're gonna wanna change this immediately. Item number 2 is auto power off temperature. So this is gonna be in your yellow menu, 9th item down, your 7th menu on this list. So it's gonna be auto power off temperature. You're gonna wanna change it from standard to high if you didn't already set it up when you set up your camera, but it did ask you this question, so you might have already had it checked. Number 3, long exposure noise reduction. You're gonna wanna turn this feature off. You can find it in the red menu, number 6, noise reduction shoot settings. You're gonna click that, and you're just gonna make sure your noise reduction is off. So you can do this in post. It's better to do in post. It will give you more flexibility. You can if you're just doing JPEGs here, but I always turn it off. It's one of the first features I leave off. Number 4, high ISO noise reduction. You're gonna also turn this off. This is in your red menu, number 1, number 8. And it's gonna come off by default if you have continuous shooting on. If it's on single shot, you can have this, but if you're on continuous, it will just stay off. So, number 5, APS-C crop mode. So this is gonna be in your red menu, number 1, APS-C shooting menu. So if you're using APS-C lenses, I'm not sure why you would for this camera, but if you are, this is gonna be right here. So you can turn on, auto, and off. If you choose to use the APS-C feature, it will drop your picture from 67 to 32 megapixels, but it extends your reach a ton, so if you don't have enough reach on your lens, this is the setting for you. Number 6 is gonna be your image quality settings. So it's gonna be in your red menu, number 1, second one down. So you have a couple options here. This is just assuming I'm taking photos. So your file format, JPEG if you want to shoot JPEGs, but RAW is going to give you the most power with this camera. And then you have your RAW file type. Lossless compression is huge. Compressed HQ doesn't really do much that I found between these two. Compressed is what I shoot in because compressed is half the size of lossless. And unless you're doing some crazy stuff, you cannot tell the difference, and I have not been able to either. So that's why I shoot in compressed, but if you want the utmost quality lossless, I shoot in compressed to save the space and you still get an amazing file. Number 7, customizing your function menu. So this is gonna be in your yellow menu, 3rd option down, 4th option down, which is your FN menu settings. So when you hit the function button, these 12 are gonna pull up. These are the ones that I use for fast shooting. You can copy me, but basically how you edit them is you click the center button on one of these, and it will allow you to select which one you want. Number 8, silent mode settings. This is gonna be in your red menu, number 7, number 1, silent mode settings. This is where you can go to enable silent mode, and this allows you to enable pre-capture if you want to use that. This camera has pre-capture, so if pre-capture is something you want to do, you would turn silent mode on, and that allows you to do that. Or if you're in a wedding space or somewhere where you can't have a shutter, but I like to shoot with it off. Number 9, card slot assignments. This is going to be in your red menu, 2, number 2, record media settings. Some people like to put on 1, some people like to put on 2. This is where you do it. This is how you can customize what you actually want your cards to do. Number 10, picture profile. So in your pink menu, you're going to want to go down to number 6, color tone, picture profile, and make sure this is off. If you didn't do step 1, which was changing the different still sets, you might have picture profile enabled from video. What you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure this is off, and you're going to keep it off for photos. There's no reason to have it on. It does nothing. You only use this for video, so if you had this enabled before and you had a weird picture thing, this is going to be your fix. That's it. 10 settings, a few minutes, and your A7R6 problems are fixed.